Hello everybody and welcome back to today's video! If you're new to my channel, hello! Bakit ngayon lang? Subscribe! If you're new to my channel, you know the drill, bitch! You know the drill! Hello! Bitches! My name is Fahd and welcome back to today's video! So for today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you this look. Kidding aside, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you this look, my everyday go-to makeup look for school. This is a very easy, very fresh makeup tutorial. You know, it's like you're not wearing any makeup every day. I always do this look every time I do have like plenty of time during the morning, but if I don't, bitch, I'm gonna go to school without anything on. You know what I mean? If you wanna see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Everybody! Hello everybody! Ang pangit talaga. Why am I so ugly? Kung kailan na ba madali, natain na ako! I need to poop! Oo! Okay you guys, I've had enough of my hair. Kung pangit ako, pangit. Mahirap gawin ng paraan yan. If I'm ugly, I can't do anything about it, okay? Whenever I start my everyday, like, everyday going to school, like, I don't normally put a lot of makeup kasi I want my skin to breathe. Alam nyo yun, ganon. The lesser, the better, guys. Because, I don't know, I feel like before, I do use a lot of makeups, but ever since I love my skin, so I'm not gonna tolerate my skin anymore. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna wear. My number one routine before going out of the house is to always wear your SPF, guys. But SPF is really important as it could protect not only your face but also your skin from the UV rays, from the sunlight, from Mother Sun. And I didn't know until I had an experiment by myself one day. Ever since I tried wearing SPF, I actually stopped breaking out for a while. After SPF, I always make it a habit to moisturize my face using this spray. I have so much love for this spray. Now again guys, I'm gonna be saying this again straight away kasi may inis na naman ako pag nag-edit ako, alam niyo yun. So it's currently 5:34 in the evening and wala na talagang araw sa labas. There's no natural light coming, so I'm really sorry if you find this setup really ugly. I'm so sorry, I'm just using my ring light. Thank God I have my ring light. Thank God for ring light. So I'm gonna be covering some parts of my face that I feel like it needs to be covered. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal some of the areas that I want to conceal, which is the whole face. This is actually my shade during summertime, so please pretend that it's my shade. After using my concealer, I always make it a habit to blend it straight away, especially for this type of concealer as this can dry up really quick. Like, sobra talagang mag-dry up bilis, nakakaloka man, oy. I'm just going to school. Sometimes I don't really wear concealer, or sometimes I do wear a concealer just to spot conceal the spots that I want to conceal. Alam mo yun, spot lang, guys, spot lang. Mahal ang makeup, dahil, oy, mahal man! So, sometimes I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, but most of the time, I always use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Also, please do not forget to blend your beard area, especially, not only for boys, of course, but also for girls, because sometimes, the tendency is dito tayo ng redness, like, we have a lot of redness here, especially here, and then the side of the nose. Sometimes I go to school without anything on, and then sometimes I always just put concealer, like two spots of concealing. Ganun lang talaga ako. Pero for the sake of this video, I'll show you how I would normally do my face on an everyday basis if I'm going to school early, or if I woke up early in the morning and I decided to beat this face. This is how I normally do it. Pero pag everyday basis, hindi talaga ako nagaganito kasi sobrang tulog ko na lang, bes. Itulog na lang. Let's just sleep, you know, instead of doing our makeup, let's just sleep. Because what? Because sleep is life. Now I'm gonna be transparent with everyone here. This is how I normally do my face. Like, I know it might be ugly for you if you can see my acne marks, but sorry, not sorry. I am not born to please you. Now, after creating my base, what I normally do after that one is to curl my eyelashes. I don't know why, but this is actually one of my favorite parts when putting your makeup on. Curling your lashes. I don't know. I feel like it's just give extra life to your eyes and to the whole face. That's why I think curling your lashes is really, really important. I don't know. Gusto ko lang talaga yung lashes ko. I don't know. Like, curling is really my thing. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. I feel like putting mascara for an everyday basis is too much, and I don't want to damage my eyelashes, guys, so I don't really use mascara. Now for brows, I don't usually do anything for brows. You get what I mean? Like, I don't really do, because aside from it's bushy and like super messy, that's the way it is. Like, I ain't got no time to fix my brows. I know Kila is life. But I don't know, I just didn't have time to do my brows. So what I normally, ever since last year, ever since I went to Sydney the last time to fix my passport, I actually decided to give it a try. Like the Benefit Gimme Brow. Now, this brow is really, really pricey, but you get what you pay for. Now, the purpose of this Gimme Brow is to set your brows or to hold your brows all together. And aside from that, it also has a tint. So it actually has a lot of shade, and my shade is number 4. What it does is like, it holds up your eyebrows together. Hold up niya lahat yung eyebrows mo para magmukha siyang bushy, and at the same time, magmukha siyang on flick. So, ganyan lang siya. So, set nyo lang siya. And then, it's like a mascara for eyelashes, but this one is mascara for the eyebrows. You can use your mascara to set your eyebrows. To get what I mean? Like, it does the same thing. But for the sake of this video, I will use this one. Benefit, sponsor me. Lang natin siya, and then, just slightly comb your hair upwards. After setting your brows, I can't leave the house without putting anything on my face, especially for blush. It's an important step for me, so I always choose between the NARS Orgasm or the Matte Essence Blush. Now for an everyday basis, way back before, as you can see, this became like one of my favorites. Like, super nagamit ko talaga siya. As you can see, nahigpan ko na siya kasi sobrang favorite ko siya. Like, if you're a loyal subscriber of mine, especially happy 500 subscriber to us! Malapit na natin mag 500, guys. Thank you for subscribing. So, this is my favorite type of blush. Ayan, as you can see, nahigpan ko na siya. And then, this NARS Orgasm blush is a really, really good blush. It's good for everyday as well. But the only thing that I don't like this, if it's an everyday blush, the thing is, it's too glittery, guys. Masyado siyang glittery for everyday basis. And you know what I mean? For everyday basis, you want to look natural as much as possible. So sometimes I always use this Matte Essence blush in the shade Pitch Me Up. Or I always use a lip. Now, don't get me wrong, using powder blushes can really last up depending on your skin type, guys. Like those two blushes, it can last in my face for like a whole day. But since I started using this Happy Skin Kiss and Blossom Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Dainty, Dainty. The reason why I bought this is because of Catherine Bernardo. Like, when I saw her, I'm like, girl, who is she? I was like, I'm a fan. This one so far is one of the easiest one to blend. Do you get what I mean? Because you know what I mean? I'm not really a fan of lip and cheek tints. Like, I can't find the reason why a lot of people like it. Pero I can see naman kung bakit nila masyado nang ginagamit. Kasi nga, it's multi? Ano sabi ko? Napasensya na, tatae lang talaga ako. It's all-in-one. You get what I mean? You can use it as your blush, you can use it on your lips, you can use it in your eyes. And just 3 dots. And then blend it straight away, guys, kasi magle-leave siya ng straight. And then I always dab it when I'm blending it. No, if that thing happens, you can still use your beauty blender as long as it's dumb and it's a little bit wet. Bakit dam ako ng dam? Ano ba yan? So you... Na-blend ko siya. Joke on you, bitch. Now, I also discovered something new, and that is the 3CE Matte Bullet Lipstick. So I've been obsessed with this lipstick, like so bad. Like I'm actually planning to buy another one because the shade is really good. Now, this is what I always wear going to school. It's either this one, the 3CE Matte Bullet Lipstick in the shade Mellow Flower, or the Happy Skin Kiss and Bloom in the shade Dainty. The color is really nice. It's like that. It has a tint of brown and red at the same time. When I swatch this one is really good. I would either just blend that with my finger or sometimes with my lips na lang. Pak! Wala na! May nanalo na! Ala! Diyos ko dahil! Oy! Ay! Diyos ko! Spao! Tinan mo ko. Beautiful eyes! Beautiful eyes! Ay! Oh! Wala na talaga, bis! Ah! If you enjoyed this kind of video, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and always remember, my tongue wrong. Not on our plot. Anyways, kidding aside, always remember to put your packness to the next level. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out, yo.